In this video I will show you what to do if your iPhone 12 has problems charging. Either if it completely doesn't charge when you plug it in, or maybe you can't even plug it in properly and it leaves a gap here, or when you are charging it, if you even slightly touch it, basically it charging stops, or there are some other issues. So the most common issue with this is that there is some lint actually stuck inside the charging port, and that's basically what it is really. We need to clean it out. There are several ways we can clean it out actually. The best way is probably if you take a toothpick, a wooden toothpick. I have a match here that I have made a bit smaller with a knife, so it's kind of very small. And then we can simply take our match and using a scooping motion like this, simply dig out any junk that might come out. Also, before you do it, make sure you turn off your iPhone. So, okay, let's turn it off. Also, we can also use a sewing needle as well, as this actually might be better in some situations if you want to clean something better. However, a toothpick like this is probably the safest option, as this is really what the inside of the charging port looks like. This is a charging port, and there are actually pins here as well, so that makes the connection and basically charges the phone, and we don't want to damage these pins obviously, so we have to be very careful when we scoop out any junk. So metal object like a needle really isn't the best. However, if you need to, you can use it, since it can actually clean better. However, a wooden match is much safer to do this. So also we can take a flashlight before we do this and simply shine inside to see if there's anything inside, and you should be able to see any pins here as well. At the moment I can't really see them even. So we take our toothpick or match and simply dig it in and try to get out any junk. And as you see, something already came off from mine. And obviously when you do it, make sure you keep holding the phone like this so any junk basically falls out, and you can continue digging for stuff basically and cleaning it out. Again, these wooden toothpicks are really the best thing for this job. Then when you are done with your toothpick, we actually clean it a bit better using a brush. We can take a few small strands from a brush like this, just a few like this, and we can place them inside the hole and basically brush it out properly. This brush works extremely well actually. And again, make sure you shake the phone and hold it so any junk keeps falling out. Also, this is a good tool. We can simply blow out any junk as well. So these are the kind of tools you can use to clean the whole of your iPhone 12. So when we plug the cable in, it makes proper connection and there's no gap, and it should charge perfectly now. If you still have some problems charging and it doesn't properly charge, there might be a problem with the cable as well, especially if this is not the original cable like here. So if this is not an original cable, yeah, they worn out pretty fast, and even if you don't see that it's worn, they have a very small metal strands inside the cable, obviously, tons of them, and as you bend the cable, they might simply break inside and it might not provide charge. Also, take a look at this tip. Sometimes it gets dirty or something gets stuck on these small contacts here, as you can see. So make sure they are properly clean, and we can clean it with basically any cloths or dabbing it a bit of rubbing alcohol and stuff like that to clean it. So yeah, if this was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. See you!